Right now, an AI is predicting exactly what you're going to do next. It's not reading your mind and it's not programmed with rules. In fact, the people who built it, they don't fully understand why it just made that decision. A digital glitch effect transitions to a massive glowing neural network map. We've built a black box that can outsmart doctors, create art from thin air, and drive cars. But how does a pile of math actually learn? Today, we're cracking open the box. If you think AI is just if-then code, you're about to realize how much stranger the truth really is. In the old days, like 5 years ago, if you wanted a computer to recognize a cat, you had to write a billion rules. If it has pointy ears and whiskers, it's a cat. A funny montage of a computer failing to identify a cat because its ears are tucked back. But the real world is messy. Rules break. Modern AI, specifically machine learning, doesn't use a rulebook. It uses a gym. Instead of telling the computer what a cat looks like, we show it 10 million pictures of cats and say, figure it out. The neural network, the vibe layer. This happens through something called a neural network. Imagine a giant wall of millions of
thinking of an answer. It's calculating the statistical probability of what the next word should be based on everything ever written on the internet. It's like a high-speed game of complete the sentence. If I say, the sky is, the AI's math says there's an 80% chance the next word is blue, and a 0.01% chance it's spaghetti. Here's the part that keeps developers up at night. Interpretability. Visual. The screen goes dark. A single glowing point appears. Because these networks have billions of parameters, we can see the input and we can see the output. But the middle? It's a mathematical wilderness. We know that it works, but we often can't explain why it chose one specific path over another. It's why AI can sometimes hallucinate or develop weird biases. It's not being mean. Its math just took a wrong turn in a forest we didn't map. AI isn't a person. It's a mirror. It reflects the patterns of human history, logic, and creativity stored in our data. We haven't built a mind. We've built a tool that can navigate the complexity of the world better than we can. A montage of AI helping with medicine, space travel, and climate change. The ghost in the code isn't a monster. It's us. And now that you know how the magic trick works, the real question is, what are we going to build with it next? Stay curious. See you in the next one.